tourist, tourist. In my experience, I've heard this word pronounced two different ways. I pronounce it as tourist, T plus the UUR sound, and finishing off with ist. But some people pronounce it tourist with an ER sound. T, ER, and then the IST. Tourist. Now, to pronounce this, let's go over mouth placement. To do the T, the tip of the tongue on the alveolar ridge. We're gonna push out with some aspiration, which is just a push of air to make the T sound. T, T. Now, we're gonna go to the UR sound. And to make the UR sound, you're gonna round your lips and you're gonna use vibration in your throat. It's a voiced sound. So you're gonna use some vibration from your throat to make the oo sound. Two. Now for the R. To make the R sound, you're just going to curl your tongue back to make that R sound. Now we have to move on to the IH sound. So how we'll do that is we're gonna relax our tongue back down, and it's another aspiration. Tour it, and that is a voiced sound. We relax it back down, we drop the jaw, and then we take the tongue, we compress our jaw again, right? So to make the is sound, we drop our jaw, give it some aspiration, and now we move into the ST. To move into the ST, we bring our jaw back up and we hit the S sound. And then to make the T sound at the end, you slightly are going to flare your tongue up, hit that alveolar ridge like we did in the beginning to finish off with a st. Tour.